Hello and welcome to Every Mile.
Every mile we're making memories side by side, growing in love and unity with every destination. New story unfolds. Every mile, a journey that never gets old.
Hello and welcome to Every Mile. Today we are visiting somewhere we have never been before, new territory. Gonna check out the Hoover Dam today. This place is incredible.
We just went on the bridge.
What did you think of the bridge view, Maddie?
It was fun.
It's hot out here, huh?
Uh-huh.
So we are on some back roads on our way from southern Utah down into Arizona. Along the route, we decided to make it into a road trip and decided to make this one of our stops. So this is the bridge that we were just on top of, named for Michael Callahan and Pat Tillman. Beautiful views from the bridge. So there is an option to do a tour of the dam itself, which is about $30 a person. We're not going to do that one today. We're just going to do in some of the observation decks. There is $10 for parking in this parking structure, but you can go on the other side and walk in. It's a long walk, but that is free parking. Have you ever been here before?
I've never been here before.
It's kind of new for all of us, huh?
Yeah, we're really excited to go and check it out.
Now there is an option to take a tour of the power plant for $15, and then you can take the dam tour for $30. Now the visitor center is closed, but you are still able to walk up onto the bridge or do the tours. We're not going to do that just for time reasons today, but it's still kind of a cool view. So we were hoping to be able to get into the visitor center. Sadly, the dam visitor center is closed. Grant, how you doing, man?
Good. Hot.
It's hot out here. I'm ready to jump into this water over here. And that is our day. Thank you for coming with us on this adventure, and we'll catch you next time. Bye, guys.
Making memories.